The capital letter. The capital letter is also called a big letter or uppercase letter, or sometimes just a capital. When do you use a capital letter? Use a capital letter for the first letter in a sentence. The door is opened. Come here. Always use a capital letter for the word I. I am 10 years old. Tom and I are good friends. Use a capital letter for proper nouns such as names of people, names of place. Alice. James. National Museum. Paris. Use a capital letter for festivals, holidays. New Year's Day. Christmas. Use a capital letter for days of the week, months. Monday. Tuesday. May. June. Exercises. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.